So today's tutorial, I'm going to talk about Veil Cover Cream, how we can actually use it as an everyday coverage. Kelly has a little bit of redness to her cheek area. As we age, this can be quite natural. So Veil Cover Cream is absolutely perfect to cover up the redness. I personally find Veil Cover Cream works better with using a sponge, but you can use your fingers, you can use traditional makeup brushes. So I'm starting down the T-zone area. Under the eyes, I'm going to use a slightly peachy tone, just to take away the blueness, so any dark circles, Veil Cover Cream is perfect to use as an under eye concealer. So I'm using Veil Finishing Powder. So this is excellent if you actually would favour more of a matte finish. So I'm just going to use a bronzer, and I'm going to use that as a bit of a contouring around the face.